I like to sing one song about Divine Mother. And this song wrote Mr. Ram Prasad. He was a saint before Ramakrishna. What day is it? 1737? Yeah, 1737. He was crazy for Divine Mother. It's a beautiful life. Divine Mother. And his father thought, my son is crazy, maybe he should get married, he will be okay. And his father gave marriage to him. When he got married, he became more devoted to, Divine Mother. He was looking his wife like a Divine Mother. And father thought, oh my God, what I did. Maybe they are rich. His father was a doctor and also rich people that time. And his father thought, maybe I should give him job, he will take care of his family. He got job that time, account job, the king place. So he went to the job. And every day he was doing account. His whole page, he was written, Joy Ma, Joy Ma, Joy Ma. That means victory to mother, victory to mother. At the end of month, king liked to see his accounts book, and whole pages was written, victory to mother, victory to mother. The king was so good. And king told, you go home, you do your duty, your job, and I'll give every month you salary, but you do your job. The king was so great. King supported him, and he went home, and whole life he did spiritual practice. With his devotion, thousand song he wrote. With his devotion, he did Tantra sadhana, Ved, Vedanta, all sadhana he did. The one song I'll sing today, I hope you like. And Swamiji can explain to English. Okay, Swami?
I surrender my life to the feet which grant freedom from fear. I have not even kept the fear of death. The name Kali is the great mantra which binds this soul to the ultimate. I sold this body in the marketplace of existence. Paying that price, I bought the name of Durga. The name of Kali is the wish-fulfilling tree, and it is established in my heart. If the god of death were to come now and open my heart to see, he would see I have made my dwelling in the house of the person who is the excellent being within this body. Ram Prasad is saying Durga's name, Mother, Mother, dear Mother. Ram Prasad is saying Durga's name as I journey in divine peace.
Then you understand now. Abhay padi pran shupichi, abhay padi pran shupichi, ami ar ki jamir bhai korechi, abhay padi pran shupichi, abhay padi pran shupichi, Kali naam mantra aap shikhai bedhe rekhechi, Kali naam ছুপেছি, আমি আর কি জামির ভয় করেছি, আমায় পদে প্রাণ ছুপেছি। কালী নাম কল্পতরু হৃদয়ে রোপণ করেছি, কালী নাম মহামন্ত্র হৃদয়ে রোপণ করেছি। এবার সামনে হৃদয় খুলে দেখাবো তাই বসে আছি, এবার সামনে হৃদয় খুলে দেখাবো তাই বসে আছি, আমায় পদে প্রাণ ছুপেছি, আমায় পদে প্রাণ ছুপেছি, আমি আর কি জামির ভয় করেছি, আমায় পদে প্রাণ ছুপেছি। দেহের মধ্যে সুজান যে যান, তার ঘরেতে ঘর করেছি, দেহের মধ্যে সুজান যে যান, তার ঘরেতে ঘর করেছি। রামপ্রসাদ বলে দুর্গা বলে মা, মা, মা গো। রামপ্রসাদ বলে দুর্গা বলে যাত্রা করে বসে আছি, রামপ্রসাদ বলে দুর্গা বলে যাত্রা করে বসে আছি, আমায় পদে প্রাণ ছুপেছি, আমায় পদে প্রাণ ছুপেছি, আমি আর কি জামির ভয় করেছি, আমায় পদে প্রাণ